Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So today is another chill, laid back video. This time I wanted to do like a whole spa day with you guys. And if y'all want to see like what I do in the morning times as far as like my pamper routine, I have that video down below for you. But this video is more so my pedicure, manicure, body care, skincare, just little things like that. And I hope it's therapeutic for you guys because honestly, watching these types of videos are very, very therapeutic to me. But right here, I'm just doing my little pedicure, and I'll make sure to have everything that I'm using in this video listed down below in the description. I'm going to try not to talk throughout the video because, like I said, I want this video to be relaxing and therapeutic. Some of these clips are sped up, like the clips right here, but some of them are not. So yeah, go ahead, get your nail polishes out, or if you guys just want to chill and just sit back and watch me do my spa day, then that's cool too. So let's get into it. Now that my toes are drying, I wanted to go ahead and come to my vanity to do a little bit of skincare with you guys. I don't do a lot of skincare, like I don't use a lot of skincare products as I do at night. So if y'all want to see like my full in-depth nighttime skincare routine, I will have that video down below. But in the morning times, I just pop on a little bit of lip balm, a little bit of SPF, a little bit of moisturizer, and I'm good to go. And again, I'll have everything that I'm using. I'll try to have everything that I'm using in order down below in the description. Alright, so after doing our skincare therapy, we're going to go ahead and do the body care. This is a new body butter by Butter Skin. Actually, it's new to me. I feel like it's been out for a while, but this is actually a Black-owned business, you guys, and I have been really loving this body butter. It's very thick, but it does absorb into the skin really, really nicely, as you can see right here, and it gives you a really, really pretty glow too. Okay, so my toenails are dry right now. Now it's time for me to put on a foot mask. And I've been using this Holler and Glow foot mask recently. This is my third one. If you guys remember, I shared this in my Target haul, and after trying it out for the first time, I was like, I need to get some more. So good, so hydrating. So you just leave it on your feet for a few minutes. And while it's left on my feet, I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the nails. So ever since I got these gel socks from Amazon, I have been using them non-stop, especially after doing a foot mask. So once you take off your foot mask, you rub in the serum, and then just to keep the moisture in, I put on my gel socks. Okay, the last thing I want to do with you guys today is my gel manicure. So I like to just paint over my press-ons, and right here I'm just trying to pick what color I wanted to do, and I decided to go with the number 12. I did paint all of these with you guys in my last Sunday chill video, so I'll have that one down below. And I also got this LED light as well. So again, everything that I'm using is gonna be linked down below for you guys.
It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, now I gotta keep it.
So that is it for today's spa day. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and just watching me do my nails, my skincare, my body care. I want to know if you guys did your nails with me. What did you do? So let's talk about it down below in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed because I do have some videos going up throughout the week. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.